Hi, it's Agnes. Welcome to day 11 of Attracting Your Dream Job or Work 15-day intensive. Today, in the description, there's a link for you to listen to James Altucher, and he talks to a gentleman called Tim Ferriss, and he talks about the 4-hour work week. So please enjoy that as part of your daily task today. Also, you will continue with your 80 affirmations since we've bumped them up a little bit. And you are, again, to write your daily paragraph scene about your dream work. Okay. Also, you should be getting, if not at the end of the book from Wallace, Wattles, The Science of Getting Rich, you probably will be getting close to the end by now. And if you have finished, if there's anything that you would like to go back over, because this book is incredibly rich with information and really good tips, is to now you've got a bit of time, go back and jot down some notes and anything that was specific to your situation. Start to collect a little bit of information from that book so that you can go back and read, some bullet points. Okay? So today, let's do our daily guided meditation for your dream job or work. Close your eyes, get comfortable, and just let everything go. Know this is your time to focus, to be present, and to launch your focus, to launch the law of assumption. You're going to assume the state of having what you want. You're going to launch the law of projection, creating images and being in scenes that imply the wish fulfilled for you in this work, career, job area. Now, we're going to start with 6 breaths in for 4 and out for 4. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Last one with a hold. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now today we are going to practice gratitude, appreciation for this incredible dream job, work that you are now experiencing. So we're going to make it really simple. We're just going to start with saying the words thank you, and you're going to call up in your heart gratitude and appreciation that it is already here. So in your mind's eye, repeat with me as I say the words. Thank you. 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 And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And big exhale out for 4. Thank you for my dream work. 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 Feel the gratitude, feel the appreciation as you say it. Thank you for my dream work. Thank you for my dream work. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Thank you for my dream work and wonderful conditions. Thank you for my dream work and wonderful conditions. Thank you for my dream work and wonderful conditions. Thank you for my dream work and wonderful conditions. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. Now, in the silence, just feel it as much as you can, the appreciation for what is, the fact that you've achieved it, the fact that you've done it, the fact that you created it, selected it, projected it. So in the silence, spend a little bit of time doing that now. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And today, as you move through your day, or if it's the end of your day, just carry the state of appreciation in advance for your amazing work. The thing you've always wanted to do and the thing that your heart just sings thinking about doing. And I'm going to count you out of the meditation. Just let that scene, let it all fade away, the affirmations, the appreciation, let it just fade into the background for now. And I'm going to count you out, and you can open your eyes when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lots of love to you, and may you live in the wish fulfilled today. And if you're at the end of the day, that you take it with you into sleep. And I will see you tomorrow for the next part.